Welcome to Garden Chat, and we are lucky today to have Constance Leo with us, and she's going to show us some of the butterflies at their different stages they have. We've got the butterfly house right behind us. You've basically got 2 more months to really come see this at its peak, and this is a really great time to come see the butterflies because they've been growing all season long. So Constance, tell us what you've got here and a little bit about them each.
All right, if you'll come up here and take a look. We've got some of our more popular species that we raise here at the gardens. We have our monarchs, and every one of these will have a caterpillar to chrysalis to adult stage. So this is kind of what they look like. If you want to zoom in on those, they're really cool. The monarchs have this gold band on their chrysalis that is really unique. You can see that. And up next, we've got the spicebush swallowtail that looks like a little dragon. And they've got such a cute little face. This is their chrysalis. Their chrysalis can be either green or a brownish pink. And this is what they look like in adult form. Next, we've got the Polydamas swallowtail. And this guy right here is going to chrysalis as we speak. This is what their chrysalis looks like when he'll be done in about 2 days. And when they emerge in a couple of months, they'll look like this. And it looks like it looks like some of the other swallowtails we have, like a black swallowtail, but the Polydamas just has the yellow stripe. It's also called the gold-banded swallowtail. And this little guy right here is our zebra longwing. You can see those in the butterfly house. They're all over laying eggs for us, and they're very, very beautiful. Their chrysalis is very unique as well. Kind of looks like a little owl. Over here, this last one, we have a cloudless sulfur. That's the big yellow butterflies that you see outside. And we don't have their caterpillar, but their chrysalis looks like a little dolphin. So come up and see us while we still have these for the next couple of months. And enjoy your company when you get here.
Well, thank you for what you've been doing, raising these and making sure we've got host plants and to be able to have these in each stage. And what a great addition it is to our butterfly house and the nature center here.
Well, thank you.
Thanks for joining us for Garden Chat.
Yeah.